Hello, welcome back to Neethas Indulgences. Today's episode is something which Vignesh has been eating my ears. He's been asking me for a banana chocolate chip cake. So here we are. And for the lovely mothers out there, you can also send this for your kids. I'm sure they will love it. That way they eat banana and chocolate. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. So let's start. I'm taking 3 ripe bananas. Actually, you can take, in Malayalam we say alinya bananas. So take the ripe bananas. I'm taking 3. Vignesh, why did you want to have this?
Because I have been craving for it.
Oh. Vignesh has been craving for it. So yesterday when we went to pick up the bananas, we were looking for the most horrible bananas in the entire world, and the supermarket people were giving us stares. Why are these people taking all this nonsense? See? Ayo. Okay, let's mash this ripe bananas. It's very easy to do because it's already like pitch. However, I will still go ahead and use a fork. Almost there. Shall we preheat the oven now itself? I think we should. Okay. So our bananas are nicely mashed. I've taken 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I've used unsalted. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and this is Greek yogurt that I'm using. So 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt I've used Milky Mist. Okay, let's combine the mashed banana, the butter and the yogurt. Now why yogurt? Because yogurt gives that very soft texture along with the bananas. Okay. We've combined this. Now we'll add egg. Oh, sorry. A big one. Big egg is required for this.
Vanilla extract.
Okay. Some vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. I like the taste of vanilla extract, so I'm adding in a little more. So always do the C fold, which is, like this. Give it a nice round and then cut it. So this is the consistency. So I'm taking 2 sugars. One is brown sugar, which is 1/2 cup, and one is white sugar. Granulated white sugar is 1/4 cup. So let's add that. Alright, and now give this a nice mix. Oof, the smell of banana, vanilla extract and the brown sugar. Yum, yum, yum. I'm adding in 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, I'm just going to dump it. 1 teaspoon of baking soda as well. Alright, so all ingredients done. Now gently fold the maida or the flour into your mashed banana mixture. Sorry, one more thing. I forgot to add in a little bit of salt. So a pinch of salt just to balance all the flavors. Now time to add some deliciousness. So there's no measurement for chocolate chips. Just go ahead and add. That's all I have to say. Yeah. Done. Now let's fold that in. Oof, Vignesh. Check it out. You want more chocolate chips?
Top here.
I think more of it. chocolate chips. Okay, so this is the consistency. Oh, I just want to bake this and eat it. He started this, but now I want to eat it. Okay, our oven is getting heated up. Now, in the meantime, let's line the baking dish. I've taken a bread loaf. You can use anything. It's your wish what you want to do. So I'm using this.
How are you?
Illa. I'm going to be a little messy here because
Because I don't know.
Huh?
Because I don't know.
Because I don't know. That's what Vignesh is telling, so I'll just go with that. Okay, all you bakers, please don't judge me because I'm doing a shabby job. Okay, after a lot of deliberation, we have done something. But I'm not sure what we have done. Still, it's the same. How do you say? Correct. Okay, time to add the batter now. Okay. Okay, this bowl is very heavy for me to hold it. And more. Alright, let's give this. I'm releasing the air. Vignesh is dying here. More chocolate chips, more chocolate chips. Shoot. He's on a diet, by the way. രണ്ടൊക്കെ വീണ എൻ്റെ വായിക്കട വെള്ളം വരുന്നു. This is a disaster. എടുത്തോ 6-second rule. Okay, so I think we'll bake this for 30 minutes, but keep checking after 15 minutes if the loaf is ready. Okay, so I think roughly depending on your oven, I'm keeping it for 30 minutes and then around 15 to 20 minutes I'll be checking in between. So we wait until
30 minutes counting down.
Thank you. So we wait until 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll see. Okay? It's almost 20 minutes now. I'm going to check out how our cake is looking. Alright. It's still wobbly. I think we need a little more. See? So we need some more time for that. Come on, let's check it out. It's cracked, I think. Okay, it's 30 minutes. It needs some more time. So make sure the skewer should come out clean. That's the trick. Here I am again. Check it out. Yes. Switching this off. 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So make sure to check. Vignesh, your banana chocolate chip loaf is ready. This looks amazing and smells really good. Would you agree?
Yes.
This is really cruel. So we have to wait till it cools down. Okay, Vignesh, time for you to come.
You will love this. If you like banana, you will love it.
Cheers.
It's not overly sweet. This is just right. What's the verdict?
അടിപൊളി.
Guys, just make it. This is yummalicious and delicious and tasty. Please, please, please make this. It's really worth it. If you really like banana, please make it, and you can also send it for your kids. Vignesh has loved it, so please go ahead and make this. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. He's giving me stares.